everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Advanced Java Program. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the handling HTTP request and the responses. Here in the HTTP request and the response, we are having the two main methods. So what are the two main methods? First one is the doGet method and the doPost method. But here in the HTTP servlet class, it provides the specialized method to handle the various types of the HTTP request. And what are the methods? Do delete method, do get method, do head method, do post method, do options, and do put and the do trace method. So these are the some methods in the HTTP servlet class. However, the get method and the post method are the commonly used when handling from the inputs. Next one, HTTP we are handling the HTTP GET request. Here we will develop a servlet that handles the HTTP GET request. By using the GET method, we are handling what is the request coming from the client that will be handled by using the HTTP GET request. The servlet is invoked. When the servlet can be invoked, so when a form will be submitted in a web page, in that we are invoking the servlet program. So after the submission of any form in the web page, we are invoking the servlet program. For example, let's see one colors example. So in the colors example, we are having the two files. First one is the HTML file and second one is the .java file for the servlet. So the HTML source code for the color.html, which is having the drop down list. In that drop down list, I am using the three colors: red, green and blue. Let's see how to create a program. So how to create a program in the servlets? By clicking on the NetBeans. To write a servlet programs, we have to click on the NetBeans. So after the NetBeans, we have to click on the file. In that file, select the new project. In the new project, please click on the Java Web Applications. Here, click on the Java Web Applications and click on the next button. So here, it is asking about what is the project name. So here, the Web Application 14 is the project name. Next, click on the next button. After the next button, click on the finish. After the finish button, we are creating our project. So in the left hand side, we are having one project. So in that project, what is our project name? That is Web Applications 14. So in the Web Application 14, we are having one web pages, source packages, libraries and the configuration files. So let's click on the source packages. In the source packages, we are having the default packages. So right click on the default package and here we are writing the new. We are inserting or we are selecting the new servlet program. Okay. So what is the class name? Here I am using the new servlet. Next click on the next button. And here it is asking about we have to add the information to the deployment descriptor. Yes, I want to add the information into the deployment descriptor and click on the finish button to create the source file. Next, so let's see in the project. So what is our project? We are handling the get method or the post method. So to use the get method, we have to use the HTTP methods as the do get method. So here I am removing the unnecessary of code. Delete. Next here also delete. Delete. Here it is the process request method. We are having the do get method. That's why here I am removing the process request method. And here it is asking what is the HTTP servlet methods. Click on the plus design. Okay. Click on the plus button. So in the plus button we are having the do get method, do post method and the get servlet information method. Okay. So here also I am removing what are the unnecessary of code that will be removing. Okay, here. So what is the error? So the error is can't find the symbol. So process request method we are deleted already. So the process request method deleted. Deleting the process request method. And here. So what are the requests that will be gathered by using the HTML page that will be by using the get parameters we are getting the we are getting those HTML pages. We are getting those HTML input files. Next, so here in the projects, let's click on the web pages. So in the web pages, we are having one index.html. Let's click on the index.html. So here I am removing this unnecessary code. And what is the title? Here I am inserting the title as handling HTTP request. Handling HTTP servlet. Handling HTTP get request. Okay, this is the title of our web page. Next one. So here I want to give the method as the get method, but defaultly the form or the servlet program can take the get method. It is using the get method only. Next, here I am using one form. In that form name equals to some name 1. Okay, and next after, so I am not giving the method equals to post. Let's see. Method equals to get or method equals to post. So here method no and action. Action equals to what is the file name? What is the .java file name? That is new servlet. Okay. By clicking on the submit button, what is the action of the form? It is going to the new servlet program. New servlet. Next, close the form. Yes. Okay. Okay. Here I want to insert one drop down list. For inserting the drop down list, I am using the label. What is the name? That is color. Here I am using color /label, and next here by using to use the select to create a drop down list. Here we want to use the select. What is that? Select space name equals to color and the size equals to 0, 1 or anything. Size equals to 1. Next, close the tag. So for using the drop down list, we are having the one select tag and the one option tag. Okay, option value equals to some red. Close the tag, and here we want to write the what is that red color. So here I want to display the another option value equals to what is the value? Green. Next, after the value we have to give the green value. Next, /option. Okay, next one. And the third option, that is option value equals to blue /option. Okay, so what are the a form contains the drop down list. To use the drop down list, we are using the select and the option tags. So after the select tag, we have to give one submit button. To give the submit button, we are using the input type equals to submit. Next, what is the value of the button? Value equals to submit. Okay, this is the creation of the HTML program. Okay, so there is no errors in the HTML file. And next, so we have generated one new servlet.java file and the HTML file. Next one, we have to select the web.xml file. Also in the web-inf, we are having one web.xml file. So in the web.xml file, the defaultly XML version and web app versions, and the servlet information and the servlet mapping information and the session configurations are already defaultly inserted. And here we have to give the what is the welcome file list. Here welcome file list. Okay, next one. So in the welcome file list we are having one sub tag, that is the welcome file. So what is the welcome file here? Index.html. Next slash welcome file. After that we are closing the ending tag for the welcome file list. Let's save the program. And let's coming to the new servlet.java. Here in this in the do get method I didn't give any values. So here I want to give the values for the particular data. So here what is the name in the index.html? What is the name? That is the color. So we want to get the parameters of the that. So in the new servlet.html I want to get the parameters of the color by using the get parameter. Okay. So what is the get parameter here? Here we are using the color. At last we will give the semicolon. And so we are getting the request. Okay, getting the parameters of the request of the client. Request dot get parameter here we are using. So parameter, the P is capital letter. Right. So this request dot get parameter of color that can be assigned to the string variable. String color equals to request dot get parameter of the color. And after this we want to send the response. We want to display our color in the web page by using the response dot set color set content type. Okay, here what is the content type? Here we are writing it is in the text format or in the HTML formats. Next, so we want to display our output. Okay, we want to display our color by using the print writer space out equals to response get writer. Okay, here by using the get writer method we are displaying our output. We are creating one object, with that object we are displaying our output, semicolon. And next, so by using the out.println we are displaying those values. Here I am writing one message, that is the color is colon, and in the next line out dot println of what is the println of color. We want to display our color. Yes. Next, after the color we have to close our out dot println of. We have to close our response object. For that out dot close method I am using for the closing the object. Let's save the program. So it is asking about one error. So what is that error? Convert to try with resources. It is no need. It is a just warning message. Let's click on the run button. By clicking on the run button, it is compiling our program and it is used to display our program. What is the output that will be displayed by using the web browser. So this is the output for our web application 14 project. Let's click the color. So the color is I am selecting as the blue and click on the submit button. So what is the color? The color is blue. So let's see in the header part or the URL. So in the URL it displays the color equals to blue. So by using the get method we are displaying our data in our URL or address bar. So the data is not secured in every get methods. Thank you everyone. So like this only we are using the do post method, but by using the do post method we are not displaying our data in the header part. Let's see. So here in the same example, I am modifying the do get as the do post method. So here in the new servlet, I am rechanging the do get method as the post method. Do post method. But here in the index.html, we have to include the method equals to post. Okay, space action. Okay, what is the method? The method equals to post. Okay, let's save the program and just run the program. Okay, by using the post method, here I want to click the red color, and after the submit, what is the return? The color is red. But here in the header part or the URL, the output is not declared. Okay, the output is not sent into the header. So by using the post method, we are securing our data that will be sent to the client. So this is the example for the do get method and the do post method. By using the get method and post method, we are handling the HTTP request. So what is meant by a post method? So what is the post method? Here we will deploy a servlet that handles an HTTP post request by using the HTTP post request, and the servlet is invoked when a form on a web page is submitted. Whenever we are submitting any form in the web page, in that we are invoking the servlet into our program. Okay, thank you everyone. In this lecture we are explained about the what is meant by a do post method and the do get method, and we are handling the requests that will be coming from the client or users. This is the HTTP. This is the handling HTTP get request and the HTTP post request.